Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel. Today, we will be comparing Casio's most popular digital watch, the iconic Casio AE-1200WH, also known as the Casio Royale, and Citizen's Q&Q similar offering, the M196J World Time Watch. We will be unveiling the new Q&Q watch and comparing the specs and features of each timepiece. What I have in my hands is the Casio AE-1200WH, aka the Casio Royale, which I bought about a year ago for $26 and has since become my occasional everyday watch. Let's unbox the Citizen Q&Q M196J. Comes with remarkable thick bubble wrapping. Hopefully the watch inside is okay. I ordered two watches, but only the M196J will be debuted in this video. The other watch will be featured at an appropriate date next week. Let's cut through this wrapping quickly. The watch boxes are intact, but there are a few minor dents here and there. Let's open the box. There you are, the M196J, happily tucked safely in the protective box. But first, let's check the documentation. Though it's only one page, the information provided is complete and relevant. It covers everything you need to know about the watch, from the functions of the buttons to world time settings. The other leaflet is in Russian. Let's take the watch out of the box. Here's the warranty card. Look at that watch. What a beauty! Let's remove it from the cardboard. So here is the complete model number, M196J003Y. Let's peel off the protective sticker from the glass. And next, the watch tag. Notice the yacht or boat on the tag, along with the 100-meter water resistance rating, which is equivalent to the Casio AE-1200WH. Side by side, the case construction seems similar, and the dial designs have some resemblance to each other. Both have a mini dial, although the M196JS is smaller in size. Both also feature a world map for world time settings. As I mentioned, the AE-1200WH costs about $26, while the M196J is priced at only $15. Perhaps the stainless steel bracelet on the AE-1200WH contributes to the higher price. Let's discuss the Casio AE-1200WH specs and features. First, the case size is about 42.1 millimeters. The lug-to-lug distance is about 45 millimeters, and the thickness is around 12.5 millimeters. The lug width is approximately 18 millimeters, with a weight of about 91 grams. The case, bezel, and glass materials are made from hard resin. On the right are two buttons controlling light and search. On the left is another set of buttons for mode and adjust. On top of the case is the world time imprint, along with two small dots resembling screws. At the bottom is the illuminator imprint with two other round dots. The bezel is black, contrasting with the silver case. On top of the dial is the 5 alarms imprint and the Casio logo. At the bottom is the 10-year battery using CR 2025. The top right of the display features a blank panel, which will display information based on your settings, such as the alarm. On the left is a mini dial representing an analog clock, surrounded by numbers from 05 to 60 in white. To the right is the world map, where you can select your time zone. Further down are the day, month, and date, followed by large digits for hour, minute, and second. Don't forget the WR100M imprint just below the mini dial. The bracelet is a standard Casio stainless steel bracelet. Many people complain about the rattling sound, but this is a $25 watch. What would you expect? Although the links are folded, this bracelet can last a long time. And there's the Casio logo on the one-touch triple fold clasp. Nothing fancy about the bracelet, but they are built to last. The stainless steel case back features imprints, such as the Casio logo, module and model numbers, and water resistance rating. There are also 4 screws securing the case back to the case. On the wrist, the 42.1mm case size seems a bit large on my tiny 6.5-inch wrist, but not excessively so. Next, let's check the M196J. The case design seems to be similar, but first, let's remove the protective sticker from the case back. Now, let's check the dimensions. The case size is about 41.5mm, slightly smaller than the AE-1200WH. The lug-to-lug distance is about 44.5mm, which is 0.5mm shorter than the Casio. The thickness is about 13mm, making it a bit bulkier than the Casio. The lug width is 18mm, similar to the AE-1200WH, allowing for interchangeable straps or bracelets. The case, bezel, and glass are made from resin, similar to the AE-1200WH. There are 2 plastic buttons, unlike the steel buttons on the Casio, which control start/stop, light, and the increase/decrease functions. As you can see, the Casio looks more robust with its larger steel buttons.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to...
On the left are similar buttons for reset and mode. Like the Casio, the bezel is black, providing a sharp contrast to the silver case. The Q&Q logo is on the top of the panel, while the WR10 bar and world time are at the bottom. The day is displayed at the top panel, followed by the world map. Unlike the Casio, the small dial resembles a crosshair with numbers from 15 to 60 in increments of 15 minutes.
The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter.
Off camera, I set the time and date correctly and activated the alarm. Now we can see the AM and alarm indicators. The hour, minute, and second are displayed in large bold digits, while the bottom displays the date, month, and year. The Casio does not have a year feature. Note that the movement on the crosshair-like mini dial synchronizes with the second hand. The thick strap is made of tough resin or PU and feels hard and robust, better than the standard Casio strap. The retainer is also thick and feels sturdy. There's also the Q&Q logo on the stainless steel buckle.
something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from...
On the stainless steel caseback are the Q&Q logo, the sailing boat imprint, and a water-resistant rating of 10 bar. Similar to the Casio, there are 4 screws securing the case back to the case. On my small 6.5-inch wrist, the M196J's smaller case size feels just right. The M196J's green EL backlight is superior to the amber LED light of the AE-1200WH. EL backlighting is commonly used in modern digital watches, so it's surprising that Casio didn't incorporate it into their iconic Casio Royale. Now let's discuss the features of each watch. First, the AE-1200WH has a 10-year battery life using CR 2025, is 100 meters water resistant, features a world map for world time, a stopwatch, a timer, and 5 daily alarms with an hourly time signal. It has an amber LED light with selectable illumination duration, a full auto calendar up to the year 2099, a mute feature, an accuracy of about plus or minus 30 seconds per month, a 12/24 hour format, and regular timekeeping of hour, minute, second, PM, month, date, and day. The Citizen Q&Q has similar features: 100 meters water resistance, world time, an EL backlight as opposed to Casio's LED light, a chime, 5 alarms, a 100-year calendar, a stopwatch, a countdown timer, and a low power indicator. It's powered by the same battery as the AE-1200WH, which is the CR 2025. This module uses the Miyota movement caliber MD-19442. Here's a summary of the features for each watch. The Casio AE-1200WH and Citizen Q&Q M196J both use a CR 2025 battery with a 10-year life and feature 100 meters of water resistance, making them suitable for swimming. The Casio has a larger display with world time settings and a stopwatch, while the Q&Q includes a unique crosshair mini dial and a chime function. For lighting, the Casio uses an amber LED light, while the Q&Q has an EL backlight. The Casio offers a full calendar up to 2099, compared to the Q&Q's 100-year calendar. The Casio has a stainless steel bracelet for a premium feel, while the Q&Q features a lightweight resin strap. Priced at around $26, the Casio provides robust features, whereas the Q&Q offers great value at approximately $15. And that's it for today's comparison. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.